how to use double time in Whiteout Survival. To active double time, you need to go to your chief house, and now once you have inside, look for the cheap order sections, just like here. All right, so that's where you find the double time option, as you see here, double time. So what does double time do? So it speeds up new building construction or upgrade in your city by 20%, but only for a short time. So once you activate, and the effect lasts for at least 5 minutes, and any building you start upgrading during to that window will have it total construction time reduced. For example, let's say if you're upgrading something normally takes 10 days, with double time it will be cut down to 8 days instead. That's a huge time saved, and especially for long upgrades. Use this, you'll find 800,000 contentment. After you have enough, you just press to double time and then enable, and you have got 5 minutes to either start a new upgrade or let it let it apply the building you're already upgrading. So the boost will automatically shorten the time, and that's it. That's how you use double time or works in Whiteout Survival. Use it wisely, and then you'll have a big upgrade plan, and you can save off days waiting. All right, let me just, before ending this video, I want to do a fight. Do you guys think I'm gonna win this? Oh my god, my heroes looks really dead. No, there is no way I'm gonna win this. There is no way I'm gonna win this. All right, I actually won that, and he have more power than me. All right, that's it for this video, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.